Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I am doing my Earfleek giveaway announcement. And yeah, so I have everybody's name in this little glass that I got ready right before I started filming. And yeah, there's not a lot of entries, but that's who entered. But yeah, so you'll be winning 4 of these Earfleek earrings. I personally think they're really beautiful. I just don't like big earrings like the dangly kind because they get tangled up in my hair. So I figured instead of just getting rid of them or throwing them away, I would give one of my subscribers that loved them a chance to win it. So yeah, here we go. And the giveaway winner is, oh, got it upside down, Jessica McNeil. Hey, I know you. So Jessica McNeil, you won 4 of these Earfleek dangly earrings, and I'm going to throw in a, maybe a couple little like surprise gifts in there and maybe a few sample packs for you. I'll throw you a few little surprises in there. Yeah, so I'm glad you won. If you haven't checked out Jessica McNeil's channel before, she does a lot of subscription unboxings on her channel. She has around 125-ish subscribers, so go over there and check her out. I really love her content she puts out. She does BoxyCharm and just a whole bunch of different types of subscription boxes. And she does a lot, she does a few other videos too on her channel, but mostly unboxings. So go check her out. I'm so glad, Jessica, that you won. And yeah, to everybody else out there, I will be doing another giveaway, probably not anytime soon, but when I hit 2,000 subscribers, I will have an international giveaway for everybody to enter. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this announcement and this giveaway. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all buddies next time.